In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to register on College Board. Whether you're preparing to take the SATs, AP exams, or looking to gain access to a wealth of resources, registering on College Board is your first step. We'll walk you through the process so that you can navigate it with confidence and ease. To start, you'll want to open your web browser and head over to collegeboard.org. This is the official website where you'll be able to create your account, manage your exams, and access a variety of educational resources. Once you're on the homepage, look for the sign up or create account option. You'll typically find this at the top right corner of the page. Clicking this will bring you to the registration page. Now you'll see that there are two primary account options. If you're a student planning to take exams, like the SAT or AP, you should select the student option. Meanwhile, if you're an educator, such as a teacher, counselor, or school staff member, you'll want to select the educator account. Choosing the right option ensures that you get access to tailored resources and information. Once you've selected your account type, you'll proceed to fill in your personal details. This includes your name, birth date, a valid email address, a secure password, and your school information. It's important to fill these fields accurately because this information will be used for your verification and communication with College Board. Be sure to use an email that you regularly check because all correspondence, including test notifications and results, will be sent there. After you have filled out your details, go ahead and click the Submit button at the bottom of the page. Shortly after, you should receive a verification email in your inbox. If you don't see it within a few minutes, be sure to check your spam or junk mail folder, just in case it got filtered there. Once you get the email, follow the link provided to verify your account. This step is crucial as it activates your College Board account. With your email verified, you can now log in with your new credentials. Logging in grants you access to College Board services, including registering for tests, checking scores, and using the robust resources they offer to help you prepare for exams and plan for college. Remember, it's essential to keep your login information secure and to take advantage of the wealth of resources available to you through your College Board account. Whether it's test preparation, college planning, or accessing your test scores, this account is a vital tool for your academic journey. That's it for today's tutorial. I hope this guide helps you easily create and manage your College Board account. Good luck with your studies and future exams!